Hello everyone, welcome to Anna's Learning Corner. I hope that you all are doing great and having fun in learning English. If not, then you are at the perfectly right place. Today we are going to learn 10 vocabulary words that will help you to improve your British vocabulary. So without wasting any time, let's get into it. Our first word for today is enormous. Enormous means something which is extremely large. You can say, the project has made an enormous impact on our company's overall growth. The pizza is so enormous, there is no way that we can finish it by ourselves. Word number 2, authentic. Authentic means something which is real or true. You can say, we need to ensure that our brand's message feel authentic to build strong trust in customers' mind. I love this cafe. It has such an authentic vibe. Next word is infused. Infused means to fill someone or something with emotion or quality. You can say, our new campaign is infused with creativity to attract more younger audience. The drink is infused with mint and lemon. It's so refreshing. Next word is integrity. Integrity means the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles that you refuse to change them. Our company's success is built on integrity. We respect her. She has got so much integrity. Next word is driven, which means a quality of a person who is really determined to achieve something or achieve success, and all the focus directed towards that specific goal. That's called driven. And its second meaning is when you are controlled or influenced by something or someone. Our team is driven to achieve the quarterly goals. She's so driven. She never gives up on what she wants. Next word is gratifying. Gratifying means pleasing and satisfying. It's truly gratifying to see that our team's hard work pay off. It was so gratifying that I finally finished my workout. I feel amazing. Next word is steadfastness. Steadfastness is actually a quality of staying same for a longer duration of time. It's mostly taken in a positive term, but could be negative too. It depends on the circumstances or the situation. Her steadfastness during the challenges kept the whole team motivated. Now see, that's in a positive way. So mostly it's used in a positive term because steadfastness basically means resilient or determined, that you are staying or stick to your positive qualities. I really admire your steadfastness. You never give up no matter what. Next one is immersive. Immersive means when you are completely into something, you even don't know what is happening around. You are totally into that situation. So you can say immersive. We are developing immersive training experience for new employees. This movie was so immersive. I felt like I was actually there. Next one is enduring. Enduring means existing for a longer duration of time. Like you can say this object could be enduring. It's used in this way mostly. Let me give you an example. It will become more clear to you. Our goal is to build enduring relationship with our clients, which means long-term relationship that stays long. You can say their friendship is enduring. It lasted since school days. Last but not the least word is exhilaration. Exhilaration means when you are feeling excited and little painful too. You can say sweet pain when you are enjoying something, when you're putting your effort into something. Then that's called exhilaration. You can say the team felt the sense of exhilaration after the launch of new project. I can still feel the exhilaration from roller coaster ride. Now tell me in the comment section, out of all of these, which word is your most favorite one? If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.